Alright y'all, so we're up here in Southampton County. We are doing some dog drives and some still hunting today. In the morning until like 9 we'll probably just still hunt. And then after that, we'll do some dog drives and then we'll do some still hunting like in the evening time. So I'm at a spot last year where I missed a pretty good buck with the slug gun. That's because it was so knocked off. The sight was so knocked off to the left, like a foot and a half. It was awful. Because I was aiming right where I should have, and it was like 6, 8, 10 inches maybe in front of his body. And so we're gonna hope that doesn't happen today. There's actually like 2 stands that are like 50 yards apart. This is the one over there, which is the one I was in. That was this one. If I was in this one, I probably would have hit the deer. But we're gonna hope something comes out there because it's probably about like an 80-yard, 70-yard shot probably from where he came out, compared to like almost 100-yard probably. I guess we'll see you guys when something comes out. So we're doing our first drive now. No one got anything still hunt. So we're gonna just hang tight, wait for them to put the dogs in. We'll see what happens. Just socked a doe. Woo! Doe down, baby. Let's freaking go! Yes! Yes!
Oh, buck. Oh, horns on top of head.
How big were they? I didn't see nothing on her.
Look at this. Yeah. Oh, dude. Oh my. What the heck? No. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe this deer. What the heck, man? Look at this stupid looking thing. He's even got a broken one. It's a full-size deer. It's a 2-year-old deer. It's a 2.5-year-old deer. It's heavy. One spike's almost 2 inches and the other's not even an inch. No, he's smaller than him. Look at that. Shoot.
Buck. You look good on path. Which way is that? Yeah, it is the first 2 shots. Like a 17, 18. He went wrong. Oh, he's sneaking out of our block. He's coming in.
What the heck? That deer was coming in?
He's on our block right now. Yeah, he come from the block going into the hunt. I shot him twice. Missed, I don't know the third, but he went back in where he come out.
Oh. Oh. might try to cross it these ways.
What was it? Where you go? On the ground. Was it? A doe came from behind me.
Alright y'all, so we're out here still hunting in the evening. It's probably almost 3 o'clock, I think. Oh wow, it's 3:30. I'm at 4. So this stand is here next to me. There's no one in it. We call it the cameraman stand because it means like you have a cameraman up there, which I don't. But you could, but we're just out here still hunting in the evening. We got about almost 2 hours of hunt. It's about an hour and 45 minutes probably, close to that. So we're gonna wait for something to come out and hopefully something does. Alright y'all, so legal shoot light's about to end. I can't really see anything anymore. So I think it's gonna be the end of today and this hunt. And I mean, I had a pretty decent day. I killed what I thought was a doe, but it was a buck with 1.5 inch spikes. It's crazy. I've never killed a buck with that small spikes before. Then my dad killed a pretty decent doe, so I mean, we got a lot of deer in the freezer, and it's only been 1 day of gun season up here in Southampton. We're doing great, and so anyways, we're gonna end the video here, guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.